Here I have Samsung Galaxy Tab Active2, and today I'm going to show you how to change system language on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the general management, language and input, language, other language. Here you can see the whole list of languages in which you can set up your device. So let's pick, for example, Ukrainian, and then tap set as default. And now Ukrainian is your system language. So if you want to change it back to English, just go to the налаштування, then загальне керування, мова та спосіб ведення, мова, and drag English back on top. And tap застосувати. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.